What are human beings really made of? Scientific discoveries have led to incalculable progress in our knowledge of human beings and their physiological nature. However, science continuously presents fresh information that rapidly changes everything we thought we knew. We are much closer than we could ever imagine to taking a huge global step in our knowledge of the human body. There is a quiet but consistent revolution taking place all over the world. A revolution in which a select group of researchers are on the verge of making unprecedented progress in the history of science. We are about to redefine the way to enjoy better health. Leah Bach is a geneticist and a member of the American Society of Human Genetics, and has developed in Brazil part of this huge worldwide network of knowledge.
We have now the technology for individualized medicine. The next big challenge is to use this information to make a difference in people's life. With genomic information, we can improve outcomes for patients and guide health and wellness programs.
Biogenetika laboratory is at the forefront of the international genetic research market. By giving presentations around the globe, contributing to scientific articles and books, and participating in the first worldwide consortium to develop studies combining genetics and sport, the Athlone Consortium, Biogenetika is committed to generating knowledge alongside major universities and research centres. Elisa, who is also the owner of Biogenetika, has taken the laboratory's research to the main global events and has formed important partnerships to strengthen and validate their research.
How do we want to write the chapter of our life? This is our challenge, to offer to ordinary people like you and me useful and reliable tools about their individuality. What is written in your genes? We understand that this is the only way to build a prosperous future.
Biogenetika's research includes the participation of Olympic and high-performance athletes. The use of genetic profile testing allowed us to demonstrate in a practical way that our knowledge of genes can help us develop a new perspective in health and sports performance. But the worldwide advances made in the knowledge of the human genome has allowed us to develop a more accurate and individualized vision of the human being.
We can apply the genomics for the prevention, the diagnosis and treatment of human disease. The analysis of many genes and variants have been recommended to implementation in clinical care, especially in the pharmacogenomics field.
The great leap that science will make in the coming years will be based on this improved insight into the genome. However, this progress means that not only will we improve our understanding of genetic code, but we will also be gaining real insights into our own lives. If we stop treating people as a collective mass to which one type of diet or medicine can be equally applied, we will start seeing unique individuals with their own biological composition and respecting the progress that human individuality has brought to our lives.
Today we have not just the DNA, but we have also the RNA, the proteins and the microbiome. Analyze and organize all this information is our main goal to make a better medicine. We need to integrate all this data to transform the healthcare system.
A recent study found that a person generates more than 1 million gigabytes of information about their own health during their lifetime. And we could produce much more if only we begin to explore other fields and to conduct studies so that this data can be turned into information that is relevant for the whole world. Biogenetika, Individualized medicine, is part of this scientific revolution, of this new human perspective, and of this global discussion that is soon to change our way of understanding life.
Biogenetika is contributing on the revolution of the medicine as we know, helping humankind to build through genetic code a new concept of health, capable of understanding and improving the quality of life for everybody.
The science is in our DNA, and Biogenetika is bringing this important scientific information to our lives, so you can explore your data to live better and longer.
Biogenetika, science is in our DNA, and we have made DNA the science of our lives. Biogenetika, you're out in front.